Are you saying bye to the camera? And kisses? Thank you. You're such a sweet boy. Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a relatively quick one. I have loved and purchased quite a few items from Pretty Little Monograms in the past. I'm sure you guys have seen me mention them in a couple of my videos, but she's recently been coming out with these, what she's calling Pretty Little Mystery Mailers. So she's compiling an item from her shop as well as a couple other smaller items from other shops and creating a little mystery mailer. So I ordered July's and did not film an unbagging, but it was a patriotic 4th of July tie-dye that I actually wore for my 4th of July Hamilton party. So if you want to check out what that looks like, make sure you're following me on Instagram. It's Fairy Tales and Fitness there as well. And I immediately ordered her August when it released. Her September is a mermaid theme, and I am dying to order it, but I need to ask hubby for a little bit of help because as a teacher, I have had the summer months off and subsequently have not been getting paychecks for those summer months. So I need a little bit of spending money and maybe he'll treat me. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open the August one since I have it. And here comes Eli. I was hoping I could get away with filming this quickly without any dog interference, but I guess that's not gonna happen today. So hopefully he'll just lay down and get settled. Okay, so this is inside my mailer. I did order the tank top. You have the option of ordering t-shirts or tank tops. I prefer the tank tops because living in Florida, it's hot in the summer. So definitely for these mystery mailers that she's doing in the summer months, I think I'm going to stick with the tank tops. As we get into fall and winter, if I want to continue ordering them, I might do the t-shirts or longer sleeves if she offers them. But we're gonna go ahead and just check out what I got. So here is the tank. So you can see this one's not a tie-dye. It is just a beautiful kind of like pool blue with a flamingo that has my initials KRT for my full name. And I love this. This is very much something that my mom is going to really enjoy as well because she's definitely a flamingo girl. And then I'm seeing what looks like a towel. This looks like the Make It Pink, Make It Blue collection that she has. And I do think that this is a towel. So that is totally cute because you can lounge by the pool and wear your tea and have your matching towel. This also looks like it would be really nice over my yoga mat. I know when some people do hot yoga especially, they will lay their yoga mat down and then a thin towel like this on top, just so as you're sweating, it's not dripping onto the yoga mat and then making it slippery for you as you're doing your poses. So this is a cool thing for that as well. And then the last little thing I'm seeing is in here, and this looks like a pink luggage tag. So this is a very summer travel kind of a vibe, which I think is totally fun. Let me see if I can get it out of this packaging here. Here we go. All right, cute. Oh, and it's a flamingo. So I'm definitely gonna give this to my mom. Like I said, she is a flamingo girl, and it's from Viv and Lou. That is totally cute. So 3 things in the mailer this time. I love each of them, and I'm excited to wear this for the last little bit of summer break that I have. That is totally cute. So if you guys would like to see if I do end up purchasing the September mailer, which like I said, we have been given a spoiler that it's a mermaid theme, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I know this was a short one. I guess not all of my videos need to be 20 to 40 minutes long, but this was something I was excited about getting in the mail and sharing with you regardless. And I will, and Ollie will, talk to you guys next time. Bye.